Oh, old is me.
No.
Okay,
No,
then sir.
old
Yeah.
is me, right? So I'll start.
Red water
Oh,
from
yes,
your
yes,
soul.
sir. Start, sir.
I'll start.
Please start.
Yeah. So I just need you guys to have a pencil or a paper handy.
And just a second,
Okay,
sir.
I have it.
Okay.
Because I was doing my homework right there. I have it in front of me only, madam.
Good. Keep it. Keep it ready. Naira, keep a pen or pencil and pen handy.
Madam, sir.
Sairam. Oh, Akarsha. Ashi, you're back. Cool.
Yes, sir.
Good. So I think if you look at it, the attendees are fixed here. We are Vidya, Harshit, Naira, Chaitanya, Ashi, Akarsha. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Perfect number, including me, 7. So we are 7 who can do AAC forever, I guess, until we are bored to death. What do you say, Naira? You like it? That's cool. Okay.
I also get 10.
Yes. All right. So all of you ready?
Yes, sir.
Did I record it? Yeah. Harshu, do you have your pen and paper?
Yep.
All right.
Already
Okay.
here.
Let me just, yeah, great. That's perfect. Let me show you this screen. All right. Okay. One moment. You can see the screen?
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
can
Yep.
see
sir.
the
We
Yeah.
see the
PowerPoint.
PowerPoint presentation.
No. Sorry. Not that. Not that. I say new share and I'll share this. You can, okay. You can see this?
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. So this one
Yeah.
is a, presentation from NASA. And it gives some information, and then you'll have a max kind of can't say riddles, but some exercises, very few exercises. Let's see who gets
Wait, is this that Red Bull space jump thing?
no. Let's look at this. So it's called Junior Ranger Space Flight Explorer, and the age group is 5 to 12. I thought it'll be appropriate for all of us, right? Akasha, you are what, 12 years old or 13?
Sir, 13.
13, all right. Plus 1 will add, no problem with that. So ideally, Akasha should be getting all the marks. Let's see.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now it says explore, learn, and protect. It talks about NASA and the full form of NASA. Anyone?
National
Sir, sir
Aeronautics
means
and Space
National Aeronautics and Space Administration.
Administration. Okay.
It's difficult
Um,
to talk when all of us are talking together.
okay.
Space
So
something.
yeah.
So should we write anything in our pen and paper?
No need. No need.
With the
I'm
pen
coming to
and the
that.
paper.
No need.
North America Space Aeronautics, sir.
Yeah, it's National Aeronautics and Space Administration. I'm going to quickly read this out because I think they're partnering along with
Okay.
National Park Service (NPS) to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Apollo moon landing. So it's been 50 years since the first landing happened on moon. So NASA and NPS honor our national heritage and share the excitement of the future of human space exploration. Now, Apollo was the first time humans left Earth's orbit and traveled into deep space. NASA is again planning to send astronauts to the moon and even further into space. So, NASA and its partners are building the Lunar Gateway, a small spacecraft that will orbit the moon. The gateway will be a home base for astronauts as they explore space. How far into space do you think astronauts will travel in the next 50 years is a question. Okay. And in 1804, Meriwether Lewis and William Clark led a group of explorers from St. Louis, Missouri, west across a great wilderness to the Pacific Ocean. Seaman, their large Newfoundland dog, helped as a watchdog, hunter, and friend over the entire 2.5-year journey. Astronauts who explore space are like Lewis and Clark and their dog, Seaman, explorers of the western frontier. The National Park Service remembers the place where Lewis and Clark began the journey at the Gateway Arch National Park in St. Louis, Missouri. Think about how the gateway that will orbit the moon is a gateway for astronauts to explore the solar system. So they say meet Seaman Jr. There's a very small exercise on Seaman Jr. later. Seaman Jr. is a plush toy dog that traveled to the International Space Station in 2018, and Seaman Jr. is named in honor of Seaman, the large Newfoundland dog that traveled with Lewis and Clark. Seaman Jr. hopes to continue this legacy by traveling with astronauts through space.
Sir,
Yep,
is it? It's not a real dog, just a toy dog.
it's a toy dog which went into space in 2018. Yes. Okay, now is the exercise, so be ready. It says saving fuel with Matt. So on July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon. NASA is once again working to send astronauts to the moon. You guys should know this. Now, NASA, it seems, needs people with strong math skills to calculate the most efficient route to the moon. The most efficient route uses the least amount of rocket fuel, obviously. Okay, so complete the triangles is the first exercise. There are 3 sums. I can give you, let's say, 3 minutes for you to complete it. But let me go through the rules, okay? Don't be excited. It's pretty simple. Now, it says the first one, I'm not giving you the entire triangle, but using each number only once, complete the triangle so that each side equals 8. Okay, you should use 0, 2, and 4. I'll show you the triangle. You have to use only once, and each side equals 8. Okay, let's do this. This is the triangle I want you to figure out.
So should
Go ahead.
we should solve with 3 triangles or only one of them, sir?
Try the first one here, the one which I'm
Okay.
pointing
We
at.
got it in a magic square.
Yeah, got it.
Even I
Okay.
got.
Okay, yeah, anyone can tell. Let's, Naira, why don't you give the answer? What is this number here?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, there will be 2.
This is 2, excellent. This is?
4,
Yeah, perfect. This is?
0.
Excellent. Okay, let's look at this side. Now, using each number only once, complete the triangle so that each side equals 17. Might be a bit complex, but you can try. You have to use these numbers only once. Complete this.
Okay.
So that
This
it
is,
adds.
I have an easy solution for this.
No, you do it. You do it and you tell me.
Okay.
Okay. So to
Who's the first? Who's the eldest?
sir, can I, sir?
Yeah, go ahead, Vijay.
It's 9 and 5.
Where is this? Is 9 and 5?
Yeah.
9, 5, 14, 16, 17. Yep, this line is fine. Okay. How about this line?
Okay, this line.
And this line. Akarsha, you're 13 years old. You're not able to solve.
Oh no,
Harshu?
mind-boggling.
Chaitanya? It's so easy, yaar. 17 and then just unique numbers.
Okay, I'll try.
Yes, you
I
can.
need just bit time.
Okay.
I need
Ashi, Harshu, and Chaitanya.
Right. So
You should make Raghu
those
sir
3 are
proud.
doing.
Make Raghu sir
Yeah.
proud.
last time I used 9 and 3, right? 9 and 3.
9 and 5, I think. 9 plus
Oh,
5 is 14,
okay.
15, and 7.
Yeah. 9 and 5.
So this line is the right
7?
side done? Left side, I mean left side.
Yeah, this one.
Left side.
7?
It's done?
No, it's not done.
Seven's
Okay, then it's 7, 6, I mean
7?
6, 5, 3,
Seven's already taken.
I mean 3, 5 and 6.
No, 5 is here already, right?
Oh, it's there.
Yeah.
So 4?
Which one is 4? Which line? There are 2 lines. Which line do you want to complete? Line starting with 1 or 2 here.
Let me try.
See, this line you'll have to have, I think, 9 and 5. Because if you look at it, 2 plus 1, 3, which means what? 14. And only 2 numbers will add up to 14.
Sir, I got that below one, sir.
What is it?
I got only 2 numbers until now. It's like 8, 7 and 2, right?
8 and 7 is 15. Plus 2, 17. But this has to be 0. There's no 0.
Yeah.
And this is common between both. So that should be challenging.
This
Come
is
on.
challenging.
Come on, guys.
What should we do to get
Come
1
on,
plus
guys.
1?
That is Akasha, 13 years old, she said. Huh? She, Chaitanya.
I got
and,
it.
Tell me.
I got the the bottom one.
Tell me what it is.
It is 2,
Hmm.
8,
Hmm.
then 4 and 3.
14 and 3. Okay.
Hmm.
And how about this then?
So this one
last
is
line,
3,
8
right, sir?
This is 3. And that's what he says. If it's 3, then 3 plus 1, 4. 4, which means
So
what?
7 and
13.
6 comes.
6 and 9.
7 and
7 and 5. 7
9.
and 5.
5
No, it
is
can't be.
done.
5
5
is
is
done.
done. 5
5
is
is
done.
done.
Yes, sir.
If
5
it's
is
7
already
and
done.
6, 7, 6, 13 and 14. No.
14.
7, 6 it can't come
14,
here.
15, 16. Yes, sir. 7, 6.
Can't come here because there's 3 here.
Yeah, 3, sir.
It is 3.
Uh,
So
okay,
keep
that's
this one
3 down
4.
there.
Nah, that's what Harshu
Okay,
is
we have
trying.
only one number.
It's correct, right? Sir. 7 and 6. 7,
Yeah, so
6.
7,
7, 6 is
7, 6
13
is
plus 1.
13.
Yeah, this one is
14,
14.
15,
But
16, 17.
15, 16, 17. 3 is also counted, right, sir?
7 plus 6, 13, 14. Yeah, perfect. So
Yeah.
tell me the numbers. Here it is 8 and 5.
8 and 5, sir.
8 and 5, 13, 14, 17. This is fine. 2, 3, 5 plus 8,
8.
15.
8 is all okay.
But it is already taken.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
So
means this right
no,
side is 9,
this is
sir.
yeah,
Right
9,
side will one number is 9.
9 and
9
5,
and
right?
5.
9, 5,
Yeah.
14 and 3, 17. Okay, 9 and 5 is perfect here. Now here 2, 8 is 10 plus 3, 13 plus 4.
4.
Yeah, this is perfect. Here 3, 3 plus 1, 4 plus
It's
7
6 and 7,
6.
sir.
Perfect. This is solved. All right. Okay. Now this one, maybe I'll give it as a homework. I'll forward this to you. There's one more thing
Okay.
which I wanted to go through. This is okay. You need to
It
have
is
a
the
paper
moon.
and pen. This should be easy. Now they're saying space launch system. Getting to the moon requires a powerful rocket to overcome the pull of Earth's gravity. NASA is building the Space Launch System, or SLS, a powerful rocket that will carry astronauts and heavy cargo to the moon. SLS will launch the Orion spacecraft from Kennedy Space Center in Cape Canaveral, Florida. Orion will keep astronauts safe hundreds of thousands of miles from home, where getting back to Earth takes days. Okay. Can you find the Seaman Jr. hiding in the picture? That's number one. You need to find.
Second picture, sir.
Okay, I'll tell you.
This
Spot the
dog.
difference. Yeah.
This dog we have to find.
Yes, that's number one. Number
I
two is
already found one.
wait.
What's the moon?
Wait. Spot the differences. You do circle 5 differences in case you are you are class 5, 8 differences if you are class 7, and 12 differences if you are age 13. Okay, and Vidya,
Sir, what about 10, sir? I'm 10.
Vidya 8 differences.
Okay.
Only Naira 5 differences. Okay,
I can do all 12 if I try.
oh, why don't you try? I'll give you the entire. Okay.
Can we see the pictures?
Okay,
Sir,
what?
I spotted
Yeah,
Seaman
Already
Jr.
found Seaman Jr.
Even I spotted.
Seaman Jr.
You make a list. Okay, there's the easiest part of it, but yeah.
Seaman Jr.
And even the moon there.
List. I
Yeah,
need the list
moon.
of 12. List of 12 or 8 or 5.
Okay, Seaman Jr.
Don't
the
give the
moon.
answers. Wait. Don't give the answers. You make a
Okay.
list. You have a pen and a paper. Make a list.
All right, I found 3.
Okay. Keep making.
I
a
found
list.
4.
It's okay. Until 12 is there, don't answer. Who's got 12 first?
Our age
Akarsha?
groups, sir.
Akarsha? And
I don't know what are they called, sir. I'm finding everything. I don't know what are they called.
Oh, you have to give me 12.
4
Vidya 10 and Naira 5. Chaitanya. Where's Chaitanya?
He's not here, sir.
5 and now 6.
Wait, I don't know what to call that bit.
Sir, I found
I
7,
yes, sir.
sir.
Some of them I
found
don't know how
7.
to call.
7, okay, but yeah.
I found 7.
You have to find 8, right?
Yeah, I have to find 8.
Just one more.
Sir, can you just scroll down?
One
I'm
moment.
still.
Oh, yeah, so wait.
Yep, sir, I found all of them.
12, huh?
8, sir.
8. All right. Okay, just be there. 8 is good. Just try to find 4 more.
Yeah,
6.
I'm gonna try.
I've done 6.
Oh, wow. That's cool. Good. Don't let the answers out.
I found 6.
Found 8. Oh, wow. Anyone more than 8?
7.
Yeah, I found.
How
I
many?
found like 6 of them.
6, ah?
Found 7.
Naira's found 7.
8,
Come
sir.
on.
I found 8.
Sir, 8.
Akasha, you?
8. Wait.
What? Your age is 13. Come on. You should be
Yep,
having.
got
Wait,
one.
sir. Wait, sir.
It's raining out here, sir.
Is it? Okay. Good. Hmm.
Oh my god,
Is
this
there
is a
any
bit
difference on
tricky.
top also, sir?
Alright, I found 9.
I'm still in 7.
Sir, I found 9.
Okay, good.
9 and...
Where is the data? And I can't also find Seaman
1, 2,
Junior.
3, 4.
Seaman Junior?
You have to find.
Hmm. Okay, you got 30 seconds more.
I found him also, Seaman Junior.
Who's
Okay,
that?
8.
Okay,
I found 8.
How
I
many?
found 8.
How
Found
many?
9.
Anyone? Anyone?
9.
Anyone? 10?
8.
Yeah,
Who?
9.
yeah, I can tell.
How many?
I found
10.
like 9. I found
I
9.
found 10.
Okay.
Akash has found 10, sir.
10. Okay.
8.
8 is good number. All right. Okay. So let's
I've
go
got
for it.
9.
Let's, Naira, why don't you give me your entries?
I'm not sure about the 8th one because.
But I'm gonna.
Okay,
wait,
okay.
can I just.
Wait.
The
Naira,
easiest one, I found the moon.
moon
The
is one.
monster.
Ah,
Monster.
monster.
Seaman
This-
Junior,
Sir, I
not a
found 12.
monster.
I
Seaman-
found 12. I mean 11.
Good. Seaman Junior is fine. Moon is fine. Give me one more, Naira.
And this, the top of the rocket, some line.
Oh yeah, oh
This
yeah.
one?
Oh, yeah, it's
This one?
longer.
Small
No, sir.
line which is not here.
The antenna.
This one. Yeah. This one
No,
on the
sir,
top.
here on the rocket
On
antenna.
the rocket, yeah.
This
Yeah,
one.
one is short and this is long.
Okay. And also on the top, if you see, there's one line on the top over here.
Oh yeah,
Which is
oh
not
yeah,
there.
oh yeah.
Okay.
And the one that is look like books.
Which
The
one?
bottom, the last bottom.
The
of it.
dam, yeah.
Yes, sir.
The
And
dam,
the
sir. Below.
light.
Where?
The right was corner, yeah, that one.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that one,
Yeah,
sir.
there's one
In
missing
the left
here.
picture, it's not there, yeah.
Okay, which is fine. Okay,
And
go.
one river over here. River.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is missing, right?
That's missing.
This is missing. Okay, cool. And
And the fence.
Yeah, the
fence.
fence block, sir.
yeah, this
Over
block
there,
is missing. Okay,
Block.
fine. All right. Harshit, any more?
Sir, can I?
And
Yeah,
the
go ahead.
shadow.
Sir, even I found.
Yeah.
Shadow.
Vidya, go ahead. What
Shadow.
shadow?
Sir, the
Diksha
shadow
wala.
over there, yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is missing. Okay.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, on the rocket, the American flag, sir.
Flag is missing. Yeah,
Yeah,
flag
the
is
flag
missing.
is missing, and here you can there's this thing. It's a metal thing.
Which one?
Metal thing. It's sloping.
Yeah.
It's missing.
Like there was
Below,
a line
below.
thing.
A bit below.
Okay.
Wait.
Still. At the foot of the rocket, sir.
Like-
Yeah, I can
Yeah,
see it.
over there. Here.
Yeah. The
Just-
rocket type
Yeah,
thing
up,
a bit above.
Up a little.
Like
Up.
here also there's a difference. If you look
Up.
at this,
Yeah, that line is
It's
missing.
the little bit
Yeah.
side. You
Where?
can see the lake. You can see the lake, right? So over there.
Yeah.
Sir,
there's
somebody
one-
Ah,
right
this
here.
is missing. All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
that one.
That's good. That's good. Okay. I didn't
Okay,
find that.
then this and this lamp, sir. Some street light, right?
Yeah,
I
this
see
one. This
somebody
one.
is drawing on the screen.
Sir,
Yeah. No
Somebody's
problem.
annotating.
They can. No problem. Okay, that is
Annotate
missing. All right. Yeah.
And that,
Sir, can I-
Restall
The
our
line.
Naira, sir. Check restall and Naira.
sir,
Okay.
even the side rocket which has that thing has a black thing missing. I don't know what to call that.
Ikkada.
Oh yeah, the black thing.
Yeah, the black line, the border
Above, sir.
type.
This side.
On the
there's
right,
a rocket-like thing, right?
Sir,
Right
yeah,
side.
towards the side.
Up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, sir.
There's somebody
Oh,
that's
this
missing
one.
there.
This one.
yeah, I didn't miss
Yes. Yes.
And
Excellent. All right. Okay.
Sir, the metal line.
Where is that?
Hot metal
Yes.
line.
Can you see the loop one, and
Sir,
just
even
down,
these colors are dark, right? The colors are dark and light
That's okay. Colors are
on
dark.
the
sir,
rocket. Yeah.
below this line, below the rocket line,
Okay.
which was circled.
Where is it?
In the rocket, please go in the rocket.
Oh,
Can you see that line? And
Wait,
missing on the
Oh
second.
yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
she's telling the
that's the
green lines,
street
which
light.
Harshit already put that one.
This
The
is
green.
Yeah,
she's
this
telling
one.
about the street light, sir.
Oh, this one. This line. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, not that line, sir.
Which one?
Please
This-
go
Over
ahead
here,
to
over
rocket,
here.
one of the
Oh,
rocket.
the street lamp.
Yeah, the street light.
Street
She's
lamp.
talking
Yeah,
about the
it's not
street
there.
lamp.
Street lamp is not there.
Street
Yeah.
lamp is not
Perfect.
there.
All right. Okay. Finally, just one more. This one. Okay. This one anyway. You can do it as a homework because you need a printout. You just need
Okay.
to identify
Which
those. So I'm not going.
rocket
I'm not going there.
park?
I'm not going here because you need to have an idea of what US national parks are. So which is fine. But just one more. Where I thought. Okay. All right. Sustainable word hunt. Make as many new words as you can from the letters in sustainable word. Okay. Now
Okay.
Naira should be finding 8 words. Vidya should be finding more than 8 words, and all of you should be finding.
Okay, I
I
found
already
one.
found a few words.
Okay.
One.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Make a note. Let's see
Right.
who. No, don't tell me. Just make a note.
What do we write?
You have to make a word out of these alphabets you see. Sustainable. Make words like, for example, able. Able is one word. Yeah. So just like that, use these alphabets and make more words. Understood, Naira?
One word. I got
Like,
one.
yeah. Go ahead. Try to see.
So we can't jumble them, right?
You can if you want to.
We can. Okay.
You have to use the
Two
same
word,
letters.
second word.
Yeah, the same letters we can jumble them, right?
Yes, you can.
Can we for
Don't add.
example,
Hmm.
let's say stain. Stain can be, stain is one word. So
Yeah.
does stains count?
Stains also will count.
Stains.
Yeah.
Three. Got three.
Okay, then.
So who's got the max until now?
I've got 3.
3. Okay. Naira
I
got
got
3.
three.
Ashi got 3.
5,
Anyone?
sir.
5. Excellent, Vidya. Good. 3 more to go. Then we'll start.
So 5.
5. That's good. 3 more to go.
Oh, what? All small words are there, sir.
No problem.
Even
That's
I found small words.
Go ahead. 3.
6.
6.
Okay, good.
Same here.
Anyone with 5-lettered words? 5 or more letters words? Stain is 1. Stains is 6. Yeah.
Yeah, I got.
Got 6-letter words, sir.
Okay. Harshit, how many? Anyone got 8 words? 6 words. Akarsha, Harshit, Naira, Vidya.
Can
I
we
found
repeat the
7
words?
I
7
found
words.
7 words.
Okay.
Sir,
One more. Yeah.
can we repeat
Yeah,
the
same
words?
7.
No. Why will you repeat the word?
Sir, four.
Okay.
You can repeat the letters, not the words.
Yeah, the words.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Letters you can.
Letters.
Letters.
No,
You can.
see, if there are 2 S's, right? You can only
Yeah.
use 2 S's. You can't use 2 B's because there's just one B.
like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir.
Can I use two E?
No, you can't because only one T is there.
E, sir, she's talking about E.
E.
E for elephant.
Just one E, right? Only one E. So one. Okay, anyone with 8 words?
Not yet, I think so.
9, sir.
All right. Okay, so let's
my
go with,
gosh.
yeah, because it's only 20 minutes.
All small little so
No problem.
Small
So
words,
Akarsha, go
most
ahead.
of them.
Give me the first.
I found
Okay.
so many words.
I found stain, able, stains, tail, late.
Tail, T-A-L-E, tail. All right. Okay, good.
Yes, sir. And late,
L-A-T-E, yeah.
ant,
A-N-T, yeah, perfect.
stale, stale,
A-L-E, stale, that's good. Yeah.
let,
L-E-T, let, yeah.
and lit, lit.
L-I-T, lit, yeah, perfect, good. Harshit,
Okay, I found able,
Able,
stain, stain,
Sir, I found another one.
Wait, wait,
Suit.
wait.
Found 12, sir.
dance, sustainable, table,
Hey,
table,
sustainable is
table,
already there.
stain.
You can't do sustain.
Okay,
Okay.
I thought.
Ashi, you're saying something?
Sir, I got 12.
Okay, give me the
Oh,
words.
wait. I found
Able, net, bus,
12.
hand, stain, set, us, at, in, tail, let.
Hey, Uz is there, right? US. Where's you? Yeah, US is there. Uz, yeah.
US. I was
Yes.
going to say that.
Yes. Good.
Sir,
Vidya?
set also. Set.
So
Set,
I
yes.
got stain, able, sustain,
Wow, yeah.
ants,
Ants, yeah.
NASA,
Okay.
NASA, stale and stables.
That's stables. That's good. STABLES. Yeah, you got it.
Yes.
That's good. We got new words.
Got me a long word is insulates. A long word.
Which one?
Insulates.
Inso.
There's no. Oh.
Insulate. INSULAT. Yeah,
Yes, sir, yes,
perfect.
sir.
That's a difficult
Insulate.
word. And insulate, INSULATE, which is 8-letter word, which is good. And yeah, good, Chaitanya. Good to see that all of you guys. So that's about it from my end, guys. I think let's move on. Who's next?
Who's
guys
the
like-
next address, sir?
Sorry?
I think Akasha, right?
Akasha.
Or
Akarsha.
is
good.
Harshit elder than Akasha?
No, no.
Ah,
Harshit,
Akarsha.
Chaitanya, and Ashi same age. Akarsha, go ahead.
Yes, sir.
All yours.
Okay, I'll share my screen.
Okay, riddle time, my favorite, sir. I
Even
love
mine.
riddles.
Yes.
Sir,
You're
host
not a-
disabled participants.
Oh, no. One moment. I'll give you the hosting. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. So good. We started off with something very interesting. And let's look at.
Sir,
Akasha.
I used the word which
Hmm.
which that company or something gave. NASA. NASA gave it,
NAS.
right?
Yeah, true.
Okay, just a second, sir. I'll
Yes.
share my screen.
Yes, please.
This will stop other screen sharing.
Go ahead. That's fine.
Okay, can you see my screen, sir?
It's coming. Yes, I can see it now. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
I didn't get chance to tell the word.
Okay. Or Naira, tell me your words.
Okay, shall we start?
Wait. Naira, tell me your words. Yeah.
Okay.
Huh?
Nut.
NUT, nut.
Sustain.
Okay, good.
Nut.
I think so.
Wait, Vijay, just wait. Huh?
Us.
It's a riddle.
US
Label.
label. Hey, label. No one got label. LABLE.
Yeah.
No,
Yes, sir.
table doesn't come.
Two.
Hey, wait.
Yes, sir,
Why-
two L's. Two L's.
No,
There's a
only one.
LABLE.
SQLABLE.
Paint.
Only one L.
Go.
So label won't come. Label.
Wait. One moment. Akarsha, just one moment. Let me.
Yes, sir.
Show this. Wait. Just be there. Okay. So yeah, give me your words, Naira.
Paint.
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 Pain.
Paint.
Pain.
TIN. There's no two T's, right? There's one T.
No, one T there.
What's the word?
T.
Tint. Yeah, TINT. Tint.
Sir, I got another one.
But only one T is there.
One T
Only
is
one
there,
T is
Naira. Naira, you have to follow rules, Naira. Come on. What's the next word?
I only do one word.
Huh?
It's only one word.
Okay, give me the next word.
I found a word.
Which one?
Paint.
Stainable.
Huh?
Stainable.
Stainable pair.
No. Stainable. Stainable.
Let me just look that
Okay.
up.
Stainable.
Stainable, I don't know whether it's there, but let's quickly go to Google and.
It's there. Almost the third
Oh,
one.
stainable
Wait.
meaning also is there, right?
Just,
Medical
I'm just
definition
looking it up.
of what? Stainability, the capacity of cells and cell plans. Okay, it's there. So not too bothered about it. That's good. Stainable
Sir,
is
I
good.
got another word.
What is that?
Table.
Table, huh?
But it's stainable.
TABLE.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, table. That's fine. Naira, anything else before we go to Akarsha? No? All right.
The table is also
So
there.
nab.
NAB is good. All right. Perfect. Now let me just give it off to Akarsha. Where are you? Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. That's fine, guys.
Okay.
We'll stop with this. Let's go ahead with the next one. What I'll do is I'll share this in the chat. You guys can do some more exercises on your own later on.
Yeah, we
Where
can
is that?
spend some time and get some more
Good
new
time,
words.
Ash.
Yes, you can.
Right.
Yeah, Akash, all yours.
Yes, sir, I'm sharing my screen. Oh, okay. Can you all see?
Yep.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Let's
Yep,
start
we are
our riddle
ready.
time. Yes.
Riddle time.
Super ready.
Okay, let's
Okay.
start our riddle time. Okay.
First,
Rules.
Rules.
sir, even you should participate now.
I will try to
Like,
participate. Everyone
no
should
one
participate.
is getting
1 point
extra
will be
points.
given to a person who
Yeah,
answers
okay.
correctly.
Last time I got it
Akasha?
free. 1 point will be given to the person who answers correctly. Answer to be given with 2 minutes. The end of will score more points will declare the winners. All right.
Akasha,
Last time I was the winner
Yes,
along with
Vidya?
Chaitanya, I think.
are you going to keep the record of points, right? You're going to keep it.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Last time sir got title as the emperor.
Yes.
Chaitanya,
I think today
Chaitanya
I'll become
Prince.
soldier. Come on.
Soldier.
Yes. I don't think that's happening today.
Oh, what happened to this? Just a second. Okay, it's moving. Okay, let's have the first one. Are you all reading it?
Yeah, rat and elephant
Okay.
were playing hide and seek. Okay, I'm reading that. A rat and an elephant were playing hide and seek. The rat hid in a temple, but the elephant found him easily. What gave the rat away?
So the because of the rat, the elephant found him, right?
Yeah, no, like the elephant found the rat very easily. That's why. Like if he found him within minutes. You can think
Okay,
like
then
he's very
can I
small.
guess?
Yeah. One by one
So-
you can.
Lord Ganesha has an elephant head, right? What if there's something linked to it?
No.
No? Okay.
No. It's really a very funny answer.
Wait. Let's think.
Wait, please don't give it out.
Yeah, think so.
Rat hid in a temple.
No, I won't give it out.
Yeah, I got it.
What is it?
It's like they lay out prasadams and everything, right? Offerings to the god. The rat went and ate it, and then the elephant saw it.
No.
I think it can be
linked to
just.
that. Think.
Wait, is it related to a word or something like that?
It's like you will have to think.
No, we will
But
think.
I'm
But
telling you.
the answer is basically something a pun word or something like that.
No, sir.
No,
It's like no.
it's an explanation, right? How?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very simple. If you know that, yeah, I know.
Like, is there behind it?
Banana. No. Not
Banana?
What banana?
I don't know.
Why will rat eat banana, Naira?
I don't know.
Rats can eat bananas.
Is it
Okay,
something
just
to do
think of
with
the-
cheese?
No. Just think of this. The keywords in this.
Oh, okay, wait.
Ant.
Huh?
Ant.
What? Didn't the elephant
sorry.
close his
Oh,
eyes
sorry.
and he found him?
Oh, sorry. It's another.
Give the
Didn't the
rat a
elephant close his eyes and he saw him going in a temple?
No.
Akash,
hint.
I give
We
up.
are thinking too logically.
Okay.
I give
Everyone?
up. I give up.
Just
Okay, Vidya, I give up.
Yeah, we give up here.
Okay.
I'm still thinking.
No, don't think too much now. Come on. Go ahead. What's the answer, Akasha?
Okay. It's really very funny. The rat left its slippers outside the temple.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, humans do that. I don't think rats could do that.
Who
Rat
will
is
could
Then
do?
why will the rats play hide and seek then if you think in that way?
Oh yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
funny.
Okay,
Slipper
next
rat.
one.
We did.
That
Next one.
simple thing we didn't think of.
Next.
Yeah.
Oh
Come on.
my god.
Next one.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Those two.
Come on, guys. Let's crack it.
That's
And
hilarious.
this IIT JEE like this.
Okay.
Father rabbit, mother rabbit, and a baby rabbit were crossing the road when a truck came speeding down. Father rabbit grabbed his son and wife and leapt to safety. Lucky escape for the two of us. Wasn't it, Daddy? Said the baby rabbit. Why did the baby rabbit say only two of them when all three of them were safe?
Because he's the one who sings.
No.
Okay, so the father rabbit did not lift the mother rabbit, but lift the baby rabbit and leapt to safety. And
No, but how
father
can
just
even the
held.
mother rabbit could be? I mean,
Yeah,
how is the mother rabbit also safe?
The
I
father
think-
grabbed the mother
no.
rabbit's
This
hand
is
and
something
took the
related to
baby
bird.
rabbits in his hand and left away.
Wait, let me guess.
No.
Why did the baby rabbit say? That means I think the baby rabbit thought he didn't count himself, I think.
Yeah.
Chaitanya, you're very close to it.
Oh.
You're close to it.
Okay.
Something related to what you said.
Because
Not
Oh,
literally the
because-
exact meaning, but something related to it.
Akash,
Okay, I
counting.
don't think he's because the father he left now. The father
I don't
caught them
understand.
both and left. So maybe
Yeah, but why did the baby rabbit say only 2 were saved, but all the 3 were saved? But why did he say only 2 of them were saved?
Akash, he meant parents and himself. That's why he's
No.
told to.
No, baby rabbit made a mistake.
Yeah.
So
it's
you're
like,
close to it. What mistake?
what
A
Not
calculation
really
mistake.
mistake.
Addition mistake.
Yeah.
Sir,
maybe he made a mistake
not in that
seeing
way.
it.
He's a baby
No,
rabbit,
what
sir.
is
How
that?
will you know addition and all?
So that's why he meant 3 but said 2.
Okay, shall I
Yeah.
answer?
Yeah,
It'll
we
be,
give up.
it'll be funny. It'll be as funny as the first one.
Because he didn't
Yeah.
know how to count.
Adi cheppan. Because baby rabbit does not know how to count. That's what I said. That's a mistake.
Those not know how to count.
Oh,
That's
that
okay,
baby
let us
rabbit
not
so cute.
Okay,
Yeah.
go to the next one.
So, sir, you'll get the point, right?
I'll get the point. Yes,
Oh
1
my
point.
god, I don't.
Addition
Okay,
mistake
so I
only
got the
he
point.
answered. He didn't say the full answer.
No, I said the full answer.
So,
Next
Okay,
one.
sir gets
same.
one.
It means
Sir
the
gets
same.
1 point.
yeah, sir gets 1 point.
It's like
This is
IIT.
literally very simple.
Wait,
This is
David.
really very
David's
simple.
parents
David,
have
David.
3
I know,
sons.
David,
Snap,
David,
what is
David.
the name
Oh,
of
David.
I
the...
told
Yes,
first. I told
David.
first.
David
It's David.
David only.
That's so obvious.
Are you
It's
see?
damn easy.
There is David. There is
Okay,
David.
next one. Next one.
Answer
Okay.
David.
So, who gets the
Okay.
point now?
All of us are 1 point now.
Okay.
Okay, everyone,
sir,
right?
Sir, sir, you get 2 points, right, sir?
That's good with you. I get 2 points.
I didn't
Then
even
everyone
read
get
it.
a point.
Okay, wait.
Oh,
Let's go to the next one. Come on.
so who all get the point now?
Time to read.
See,
All of
for
us.
I gave all
Two-
of them.
2 and 1. Go ahead.
Okay, sir gets 2, all
Okay.
of us get 1.
Person
Okay.
makes
The
It
person
has
who
no
makes
use.
it has no need of it. The person who buys it has no use for it. Person who uses it
Okay, I know the
neither
answer.
see nor
What
feel.
is it?
What is it?
Nothing.
nothing.
No,
Nothing.
no.
What's the
That's not
answer?
Nothing.
Vidya?
Sir, all give up.
Nothing.
Wait.
No,
Wait.
That's not the answer.
No.
That's not the answer.
No.
The
What?
person who buys it has no uses for it. The
Later.
person who uses it can neither see nor
Plate.
feel it. What is
No.
it? Plate you can see and feel, right?
Not
Nothing.
give up now only.
Wait.
I think it is
Person.
nothing. Compulsory nothing.
No, it's not.
How
nothing.
can
It's not
someone buy
nothing.
nothing? They'll have
That's
to
what.
buy something.
Oh, yeah.
Person uses it can neither see nor feel it. Oxygen,
Sir?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
No, no.
Eh?
How can someone make?
Yeah, right.
Dioxide. Carbon
They make
dioxide.
oxygen
Okay, they buy
cylinders.
it.
Carbon dioxide.
But who uses
no.
it can neither see nor feel.
Yeah, oxygen they can't
Yeah.
see. But feel, they can breathe
Yeah,
it.
That's
Right?
what.
Wait, I'm thinking. Wait, I'm
God.
thinking. I'm
Okay,
thinking.
okay.
Makes it has no need of it.
Carbon dioxide?
No.
The person
we
who
don't need
uses it can neither see it nor feel it.
Yeah.
So it has to be
Not
something
feel.
which is not.
Yeah.
Not air, we can feel the air.
It has to
Yeah,
be
carbon
We can
dioxide.
feel the air.
feel.
No.
Emotions.
No.
I mean, like you can feel emotions.
But why will you buy emotion, man?
Buying
Harshit, are there selling emotions in Vizag?
I don't think so.
You live
Then-
in Vizag?
Yeah, Harshit
Yeah,
is in
I
Vizag.
live-
Shit. Oh my god.
So we got we got 4 cities representation here, right? Puttaparthi, which is Nanantapur, Hyderabad,
Ew.
Vizag, and
I have one
Raipur.
I
funny
think it's
answer.
oxygen and
Or even
carbon
I have a
dioxide.
funny answer. I have a funny answer. It's called as
What?
coffin.
Coffee, na?
Coffee.
Coffin.
Yeah,
Yay!
Coffee.
How did you get it, Chaitanya?
Wow.
I saw. I thought in a way of a dead person. They can't feel anything.
Obviously, that's what.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah.
So, okay,
Okay,
Chaitanya
yeah.
and I have got 2 points.
Sir are
All us
2.
have got 1. Yeah. Come on, Chaits,
Okay.
let's win this as well, okay?
Nice, Chaitanya. Amazing thinking.
Next. This is very simple.
What?
Very simple.
February.
February, of course, February.
February.
No, all 12 months. All 12 months.
Yes, sir is right. Sir is right. Sir is right. Everyone are wrong. Sir is
All
right.
12 months. Yay.
Obviously. What? Everyone are like February.
Who was it? Harshit? Huh?
Every month has 28 days. Yes, no, 30 days.
But no, see, everyone are wrong except sir.
No, someone else said, right? Who was it? Along with
Who is that?
Was it
Hey,
Harshit?
that was me only. I was shouting.
Chaitanya.
All months.
Okay, 3-3.
Okay,
3-3 and 1. Chaitanya, come on. I'll beat you next one.
Okay.
Let's go next one.
Carams only now.
How is the
Chaitanya
answer
answer.
every month?
See, now I told that, how many months have 28 days? Every month has 28 days, right?
Yeah.
More than 28.
Yeah.
More than 28.
Okay. Next one.
Okay.
If you got me, you want
This
to
is very
share
simple, I
me.
with the
If you
picture.
share me, you haven't kept me.
Exactly.
What am
Memory.
No, not
Secret.
memories.
I? You can
Secret.
keep. You can
You want to share me?
secret.
Wait,
Secret.
Ashi
Are
is
don't
right.
you?
Secret.
Secret. Naira is
Secret
correct.
only, yeah.
Naira.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, Naira
Ashi,
is correct,
Ashi.
sir.
And
Even
Naira.
I also told secret.
Okay. So Naira and Ashi are at what? 3?
2.
2?
Yeah.
And me and Chaitanya 3. All others are 1. Okay. Next one. Do we have a next one?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Okay, how
Did
many
I
more?
got a point?
You got a point, Naira. Yeah. You're at 2. Along with Ashi. Let's look
Yeah, there
at
are
the next
two.
one.
What is
What
always in front of?
What can't be seen?
Water.
What is
What's it?
what is always in front of you, but you can't see?
Air.
Air.
Obviously,
Air. Air.
Sight.
No.
Is it eyes? No, eyes in front.
No, sir.
Nose
Sight.
in the front of us, or always in front of you.
It's
Okay,
air.
what about sight?
Sight is the ability to see, but yeah, eyes are the ones who are front. Nose is in the front. What else? You can't
But
see
it's
it.
air, I think. Air. We
You
can't
can't
Just
see
a second,
your.
I have a confusion
Eight.
here. So you and Chaitanya are 3.
Future.
Chaitanya, you're right. It's future.
Oh
Yeah, I was
wow!
kidding. I thought I was kidding.
Future.
Yeah, too good. 4. Chaitanya, you're beating me
Okay,
today,
so
huh?
just a second. So just a
Oh,
second.
good.
Chaitanya is 4. So you're
3.
3.
And
Harshit,
Ashit is 1.
it's 1 or 2.
1. Only Ashi and Naira are 2.
Okay. Then
all
Vidya
others
is
are
1,
including me.
Naira 2, and Ashi also 2. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Final
Okay.
question of the day. I stand when I'm sitting and jump when I'm walking.
Yeah.
Oh, I stand.
Stand when I'm sitting. Jump when I'm
Yeah.
walking.
Yeah. Think it's an animal.
Grasshopper.
I stand.
No.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Sir, you're right. Sir, you're right.
Kangaroo.
No,
Okay,
someone
okay,
someone
everyone.
told
Sir,
inside.
I said it.
Yes, Vidya said it.
Kangaroo.
So I get 4,
Okay, so-
Vidya gets 3. Vidya 3 or 2? Vidya 2.
2, sir.
So the
2 and
3.
everyone, nothing else.
Yeah, so I'm at 4 along with Chaitanya. Come on, Chaitanya,
Chaitanya
I'll
is
beat
4,
you.
Vidya is 2, Harshit is 1, Naira and Ashi are also 2.
What Harshit?
Okay.
1 in Tesla.
Next.
kangaroo can sit.
Yeah, it's
What can't talk but will reply when spoken to?
Alexa.
A mirror.
No, sir.
What like? What can?
Yeah, Alexa can't talk but will reply.
What can't talk?
Mirror. Ourself. If you see ourselves in the mirror.
Alexa.
A reflection.
What is it?
What Vidya?
Reflection.
Mirror.
Alexa.
No.
Reflection.
No.
A reflection.
Our reflection.
No.
It can't talk, right? It will.
Yeah,
Alexa.
but will
yeah.
it reply?
If we talk, yeah. Oh,
An AI? Artificial intelligence?
Wait, I'm thinking.
Siri?
Don't show the answer.
Siri? What
Even
about
I'm
Siri?
Like Chaitanya is answering.
Wait, I'm thinking.
Siri?
Alexa.
Oh.
Not
No,
Alexa.
not Alexa.
Any
Alexa.
clues? Like,
What?
Think.
Wait,
I'm
what
thinking.
can't talk but will
mind.
mind?
The
No, it's
mind.
not mind.
What can't talk but will reply? How can it reply when it can't talk?
Maybe a question.
Wait, I'm thinking. Why don't you give me
Answer?
I think it's a question.
Answer.
Alexa,
Wait.
Wait, one by
Answer.
one, please. It's getting difficult.
Answer.
Wait.
Answer.
Vidya, what is it?
Answer.
Answer. No.
I think it's a question.
Harshit, any answer?
Alexa,
Question.
It's not Alexa.
Yeah, Alexa in Japan already. It's not Alexa. What can't talk but will reply?
She
Echo.
or
What
Chaitanya?
can you do?
Echo.
Who is that? Who is that? Chaitanya.
Me.
Okay, Chaitanya is right.
Echo.
Chaitanya is right.
Oh,
Is this guy is copying from somewhere? Huh?
Hello, no.
oh my God.
Okay,
Echo.
Chaitanya is 5 and everyone are 4.
Chaitanya. Yeah.
Oish.
I'm 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Come
Harshit
on.
is 1.
Okay.
Okay.
The last one, okay? The more of this there is, the
Yeah,
less
chalo.
you see.
What
Oh,
is it?
Mirage.
A soap?
if
Miraja. I don't know.
Soap?
Okay, one by one. This is the last one.
okay, the more if it's there,
This is
Now
there.
Chaitanya is leading. Chaitanya is leading.
if the less you see, what is
I
it?
think it's a soap.
Sopa.
Huh?
Entity?
No, it's not soap.
What is the answer, Harshit?
Water?
No.
Less you see.
Strawberry seed.
Exam
Strawberry
papers.
seed.
No.
No.
What you- Exam
Strawberry
paper.
seed.
One by one. I'm not able to
Seed.
understand.
Strawberry seed.
No.
Strawberry seed.
No. Strawberry seed.
No, the more of this.
Scared of it.
Darkness.
She is right. It's darkness.
Wow.
Oh.
I thought, for a second, I thought it was lack of caffeine.
Darkness.
Oh,
So
Ashi.
Chaitanya
Okay.
won, huh? What's the score
Yeah,
right then?
sir.
Oh, Chaitanya.
Okay, so sir, you're 4, Chaitanya is 5, Harshit is 1, Vidya 2, Naira also 2, Ashi is 3. So
Wow.
winner is Chaitanya.
Yeah. Great. Good one.
3
Okay,
cheers for Chaitanya.
3 cheers for
I have a riddle
Chaitanya.
for you guys.
Wait, nah.
What is
Who's
it?
next?
So can I go next, sir?
Yeah. Harshit, once you come to your turn, you can ask the riddle. Yeah, Vidya, go next. No problem.
Okay. So can you share my screen?
Yeah.
So you disabled participants.
Wait. I have to take it from.
Wait, I'm enabling it.
Oh, you can. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, now try.
Okay, it's coming. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a presentation
Oh,
which is about
hey, the
birds.
cow
This is
looks
the last
good.
one.
Okay, birds. I'm gonna present it.
Did you use Google Docs or PPT?
Yeah.
Google
I'll
Docs.
use it.
That's Google Docs.
That's intelligent.
Birds. First, chicklings. Chicklings are very cute, adorable, and
that's
super
cute.
funny. Hence, cocks and chicklings have the amazing ability to
OMG.
digest anything.
What?
Plastic?
See,
They
it's like
can
Yeah,
this.
that's cute.
Anything?
Just can you listen to
Oh,
me?
you're lucky.
Okay. We'll listen.
Guys,
to you.
let's listen to her now, please.
Listen.
Yeah.
When my mother was young, she told me her experience. One of her gold ornament fell down. A hen came and ate it. It digested it.
What?
They can
What?
digest almost anything, metal too.
But it
Ate
came
it.
out. How did it come out? As gold or something else?
I don't know, sir, but it just digested it.
So you should ask her and tell us the next time.
As poop.
Okay. It will just come out as poop. It will digest it.
No, it'll come out as poop, but gold will come out as gold, right? Can't be gold
No,
poop.
sir. It has a lot of heat in its body, right?
It would have melted the gold. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, I think so.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, so I have 2 baby chicklings.
Oh my
And
god.
you can see the white one, right?
Yeah.
The white one is milky and the other one is brownie.
Oh wow.
Wait, how many animals do you have at your house precisely?
She is
Precisely,
really
I
an
have
animal rubber.
50 guppy fish, 2 dogs.
50.
Okay,
OMG.
3. They're very tiny. Okay, like tadpoles, fish.
Oh. But still, like,
They're multiple.
Wow.
I don't know what's their count now. They're multiple. Like I don't know how thousands. And
you
budgies,
should-
budgies, chicklings, and guinea fowls.
Wow.
Guinea fowls.
Guinea fowls, I'll show
animal
them
girl.
to you.
Really, you have guinea fowls.
Okay, now let's listen to
Yeah.
Vidya.
My parents
Next.
don't let me even keep
Next,
a
I'm
fish
gonna
at home.
show you a video I shot myself on Brownie. Slow motion. It's a bit slow motion.
How much time?
That's how they scratch the ground and take their food.
Oh wow.
Wait, is
Cute.
brownie a chick? Like a chick or
Brownie.
is
Brownie
brownie
is
the chick of a hen or a goose?
I don't get
What's
you.
your question, Harshu? You're confusing everyone.
Hen or goose?
Okay, she's asking it's a hen or a. I mean, he's asking it's a hen or a goose.
Hen.
Who's
Goose.
it?
Goose
It's a
is
chick.
female or a male, right?
What? Sorry.
He's
Are you asking
asking
which
if
is?
That's hen or a cock. He's asking
Okay,
it's
so
a hen
Okay,
or
now
a
he's
goose.
asking what is Brownie now? What is his age now? Means like not age. What is he?
What's the
Okay.
male or
Okay, okay. Is he a hen or
he
cock or goose? That thing.
Is
A
he a
cock.
chick or a hen now?
Okay,
Okay,
let's
so-
move on. Let's move on. Come on. Okay, next slide.
We can know the age of it if it is a male or feminine till it comes to a certain age. If it's male or female, we don't know till it comes to a certain age, like grown up or like that. Okay, so budgies or budgerigars. They are playful, they love food, and they can rival any parrot in terms of talking ability. They can amass large vocabularies.
What?
Yeah,
Is it
they
cocks?
are. Okay, so budgies are nomadic flock parakeets that have been bred in captivity since the 19th century. It's like huge,
Okay, that's a
huge
lot.
flocks. In both captivity and the wild, budgerigars or budgies breed opportunistically
Opportunistically.
and in pairs. It's like normal birds. They mate, and the male and female live in one nest, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an entirely different story with the budgies. Group of them live in a nest.
Oh my god.
What?
Group of
How
them.
big is their nest?
Yeah, it's like they don't build the nest. They're huge hollows. They live in that.
Oh, okay.
They are mainly found in the wild throughout the drier parts of Australia, where their species have survived harsh inland conditions for over 5 million years.
Oh my god.
And we have vertebra in our back, right?
Yeah, both of you.
They have more
They have it in
vertebrae
the
in their neck, and they can bend however they like, except for
Oh
360
God.
degrees. They can bend it in a U shape.
Are they like an owl which they can turn 360
No, they
degrees?
can't. They
That's
can't
what
turn.
he's telling, not 360 degrees.
Yeah, I told it right now. No. Okay, so next, this is tiger looking at my first budgies. They're
Just a
dead
second, I
now.
can't
I
see.
got
Wow, budgies. Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh wow.
looking at them.
cute.
Yeah,
Cuteness
the
also
still
green
there?
the green one is the male and the blue one is the female. The green one name is Romeo and Juliet. So Juliet, she is a bit aggressive. So whenever tiger goes too near them, Romeo runs up and Juliet pecks at his nose.
Oh my god.
Oh
Funny.
my god.
They're still there?
That's funny. But it must hurt for a tiger.
Yeah, it will hurt for tiger, but he won't harm them.
Oh.
Very nice dog also.
Okay, so another funny video. My guinea fowl playing with my female dog Candy. Okay, why is
Wait, do
it
you have puppies at your house?
Candy?
no puppies? Okay, I have another dog, as I told you, and she's Candy. Look how they play. It's like, do you know how dogs play?
Yeah,
Nope.
they play with.
One dog chases the another and for some time, and the other dog chases the other for some time.
Yeah, I know.
See how they
I
play.
have this.
It's the most funniest thing.
Oh my god.
Wait for it. Wait for a second.
That's
Fun
funny.
part hasn't begun yet. Okay, right. It's gonna begin. Now, see, the hen is chasing Candy just for fun.
What?
Oh my god.
You can see it, right?
How is it even
There's
possible?
Candy and the hen.
Yeah.
See, they play like that.
Do they do do they play every day or like this one time
According
you
to their
remember?
moods.
Next is red-vented bulbul. Red-vented bulbuls feed on fruits, petals of flowers, nectar, insects, and occasionally geckos. They build their nests in bushes at a height of around 2 to 3 meters. 2 or 3 eggs is a typical clutch. Okay, so
Wait, how much is a
near
clutch?
our house, there's a. Okay, just a second. Near my house, there's a mango tree, and a bit higher to the ground on the first branch, they build their nest. And whenever the baby is hungry, it does this. It's hungry, does that. Tiniest rustle and it does that. Are you there?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. We are there.
Please keep responding because again,
Oh,
just see the video.
it reminds me of my when I was maybe around
See,
6
when
or
it's
7.
hungry, it does that. And look at it, look at
Yes.
its mouth, so big.
I remember feeding ants to these small birds when I was a kid.
Oh, okay. So.
Chaitanya,
And next, red wattle lapwing. So a red wattle lapwing, you can see the picture, right?
Wait, it's
They
not.
are, they are very
stuck
beautiful and they
Yeah.
built their nest near our house. So the red wattle lapwing's tail,
Wow.
you can read this. So it builds its nest by collecting small pebbles, which happens rare, and arranging in the shape of a mound. Can you see the nest?
Yeah.
Oh, like how
See
was
how
the
it
eggs
built?
protected?
Small pebbles.
That's cool.
And the
Amazing.
speciality
Wait, do
of
they
this
build
bird,
it on the ground or
once
in the
the
tree?
okay, huh?
Do
Not
they
in a
build nest
tree,
on?
not on the tree, on the ground.
Okay.
But it is a flight bird. It's not a flightless bird. Okay, so
Oh.
one more fun fact about this. Once the baby comes out of the egg, the mother or father gets rid of the eggshells from the nest.
Yeah, like many birds do this.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so this is the egg which is near our home, which the red wattle lapwing laid.
Wait, so
Which
does the
one are you
mother
The
showing
baby's
that?
trying to come out. The baby's
Oh, wait, I
trying to
can't see
come
it.
out. Yeah, I'm showing it. It's just buffering.
Okay.
Can you see it? It moved.
Right?
Wait.
Wait, then
It's
just a
buffering a
second.
lot.
Okay, now put it.
You can see it.
Yeah, but
Can you see the egg?
Vidya,
Yeah,
how
we can
your
see the
screen
egg.
is stuck.
Huh?
Vidya,
For
you can
me,
do
your
one
screen is
thing.
stuck.
Can you put this document in the chat and we can all go have a look after class?
Okay.
Yeah.
This is not a document actually. It's like I shot this. I just stopped
Wait.
share and I'm gonna share again.
okay.
Can you see it now?
Wait, it's just a second. It's coming up. Yeah.
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 Can you see?
We can see the egg, but
Oops, sorry. So I'm gonna share it with you afterwards. The baby's trying to put in that. So this is the baby, the real climbers, the babies.
oh.
Can you see it?
Oh yeah.
The baby,
Yeah.
this is the baby.
Oh wow.
Really good climbers. So this is the baby on the ground. See how
Does that
cute it
explain
is.
the long legs?
Yeah, their legs are very long. They also use their legs for wading in water.
Ooh, like cranes.
Oh wow.
This is the
So
baby on the
cute.
ground.
Oh, that's
So cute, right?
Cute.
So cute.
Okay. Moving on to the next one. Indian robins. The Indian robin is an insectivorous species which is a resident breeder in Pakistan, India, and Sri Lanka. It is found in scrub jungle and other open habitats, including around habitation.
Oh, I have these near my house coming
So
up.
Hey,
it makes the inside of the nest very comfy. Like it gets the grass and makes it as a flooring and lines the inside walls of nest with soft feathers.
Oh.
Actually, on my terrace, I have these birds' nests. What I found there was just as you said, but do you know that feathers in pillows, the
Yeah.
ones which you get?
Yeah.
Except I found those also. I don't know
Those
where I
are the
got
birds
that.
which you have, right, Vidya?
See two baby robins. Yeah, those are the birds I rescued. One of them has a broken leg. This
Rescued?
one.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
is
I
it
can
Yeah,
see
rescued.
that.
These both. One has a banana face. We feed them bananas. Banana
What?
paste
Is it
and
fine
banana paste
now?
all over its face. This way, and this one just died.
Oh my God. How?
Oh my god, that's so sad.
Just because of the pain. Its leg was almost torn out.
Oh my
Torn out.
God.
Yeah, it was almost torn out. Just a small nerve thingy was putting it.
Only a nerve was left. That
My
must be.
God.
That must have been the bad predator.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
so
it's
moving
sad.
on. Oh, sorry. How many of you have been to Tirupati?
I
What say?
can't see your screen.
No,
The
you
Indian
can
Robin.
still see the Indian Robin screen, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm just asking you, how many of you have been to Tirupati?
I have.
Yeah, I have.
So almost all of you, right?
Yeah.
So, did you think that Tirupati is only for Swami's Devalaya temple?
No.
No, I didn't think.
Because there are many more things,
Like.
like a science world. A science world which shows you the models of dinosaurs and explains it's not only dinosaurs, there are many more things, and many beautiful temples, and also an amazing zoo.
Oh.
Zoo.
There they have white peacocks.
Oh.
White peacocks.
Yeah, when I went there, one of them just started dancing,
Oh.
and my
Wow.
father
my God.
captured it. Look at that.
Wait, just a second. I can't see.
Saw it live.
Vidya, you stop your
I
stream.
can't see it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
can you see it?
Did you know a few
Loading.
peacocks are born white
And I have a feather of it also.
the absence of pigmentation? That's a
Oh,
very
yeah.
good
Can you see?
Oh, wow.
Wow. So
Yeah,
beautiful.
This,
saw
this
that.
is
So
photo
good.
captured by my father.
Oh,
Yeah, we have
wow.
one like this
So-
in Visakhapatnam also.
Amazing.
Okay, so moving on. Guinea
Okay, white
fowls.
peacock, you put it in white text.
Oh yeah. Now guinea fowls. Can you see it?
Yep.
Wait.
Oh no.
I mean, not yet.
Coming
The
up.
guinea fowl.
Like half up.
Yeah, I can.
Half of- okay. Guinea fowl can reach 16 to 28 inches in length.
Really?
Yeah, it has a bare head and a neck, while the rest of the body is covered with dark gray or black feathers with small
My
white
God.
dots. It's really beautiful.
Oh.
So, it rests during the hottest part of the day and eliminates excess heat with its bare head and neck.
Yeah, it has sweat glands.
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay, so they often walk behind wild ones. They often walk behind herds of large animals and monkeys and collect food that they left behind. So it plays an important role in the control of ticks, flies, fleas, and scorpions. If they're
Yeah,
very
scorpions.
hungry, a group of them can even kill a snake.
Oh.
Oh, that's
Do they
powerful.
fly?
Yeah, they can.
Yeah, if they're very hungry and they have nothing to eat, they will. If they see a snake nearby, they'll kill it.
Oh.
That's strong.
Yeah,
They
their
can
beak is
even-
very strong. See, they are strong flyers, but they prefer to run to escape from predators.
Because-
So,
That means they are very fast runners.
yeah,
Yeah,
these
it
are
takes
my
them
two
less
pet
than
guinea
1
fowls.
Oh, just a second. I can't see.
Even I'm not able to see.
Yeah.
These are my two pet guinea fowls.
Oh.
Can you
Where
see
do
it?
you live?
Yeah.
Yeah,
They're
yeah. we
eating
can-
grains.
They are your pet, Vidya.
Wait, do you feed them
Yeah,
meat?
so No, they keep their feathers themselves.
Oh,
So these
that tells you.
there's this one with white spot, right? About white spot.
Yeah.
It is the female and the other one is the male.
Oh.
And they lay eggs wherever they want. They find the most secret hidden place and lay there.
And,
And
you
they
incubate those
don't
eggs?
sit on it till it hatches.
Wait, do you,
In
so like,
the
do you
wild, if
take
they
them and
lay,
incubate them?
no, okay. In the wild, if they lay the eggs, some peacocks will also lay eggs below, right? When they're passing through, they'll think that these are their eggs and sit on it and hatch.
Oh wow.
Yeah, like a cuckoo.
Yeah.
How
Yeah,
cuckoo lays
There's
eggs?
probably like a
no
cuckoo.
crows.
Okay, you can see the male, right? The male one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It can fly over a distance of 10 meters approximately. It can fly more.
Okay, so haven't these escaped? Like,
Yeah, they have escaped from dogs. We have a hill nearby. They sometimes go there and a few dogs chase them and they escape. So this male, it's very protective of the female. So when the female was stuck up in a tree and this male escaped, the male went back for the female.
Oh.
It's like went back for the female. Okay, so
most likely
next,
to mate.
this is called the wood pigeon.
Wood pigeon.
Yeah, which I rescued it. It had met with an accident.
Oh.
I rescued it and I named it Markandeya.
Oh, nice.
What?
Markandeya.
Who doesn't know Markandeya?
Markandeya, the 18-year-old, the devotee of Shiva.
The
He
devotee of
escaped
Shiva.
death.
He is immortal.
Somewhere
He's
in the Himalayas, immortal.
Yeah.
So I named it Markandeya and Belagodu. Locally, we call it Belagodu.
Oh.
Okay, so next, pictures of me with birds. I rescued and some with like that. Okay, so you can see the eagle, right?
Yeah.
You
The
have an
eagle is
eagle.
about to catch the pigeon and give it to her babies, while this hen is about to catch the worm.
Oh.
It's like this
I
is
like
the
the way
predator's
you-
column and the prey. Predator and prey.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
That's the reason you put half.
That's intelligent.
Yeah,
Half
that's
red
right.
and
Half.
nice.
Not white. Like, not the
Okay, so next, this is a kingfisher I rescued 2 years ago. Kingfisher.
Oh.
Oh my, how
Oh, you were
many
so small.
animals did you rescue?
Kingfisher. I
Very
don't
cute.
know. And the mother came and took it back.
Okay.
It was fallen out of
Oh.
the nest and I rescued it. The mother came, pecked at the window and we gave it back.
Oh.
It pecked at the window.
Yeah. If it was a woodpecker, our window
Nice.
would be shattered. So
Like,
next,
usually birds don't have a good sense of smell, usually.
Oh, wow.
God, that's the most terrible thing I ever saw.
so this is the Yelagiri Sanctuary, bird sanctuary.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Bird sanctuary. They give you sunflower
So
seeds and a
cute.
few seeds with the parrot come and sit on your hand and eat.
And this is the
wow.
And
macaw.
you can see the right picture, right? It's really
This is
long.
amazing.
Really long. Long, heavy.
It's a macaw. I love their colors.
Macaw, sorry.
Wow.
Next one, we have a small farm and there the hen laid eggs and the babies hatched.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
And look at this
They
one
are
hiding
so
under its mother.
cute.
Yeah.
Oh, cuteness overload. That's so cute. No.
Yeah, I know, right? So this
No,
is,
please.
these are a few pigeons. I got one on my head and
It's sitting on your head.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Wait, those are actually white pigeons.
Yeah.
Did you get those?
yeah, white
Devotee?
pigeons. These are actually white pigeons.
I
So
want that.
next, thank you and I would like to conclude my session by singing a song.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, sure.
So can I start?
Yeah.
Please.
Okay, first everyone will mute, sir.
Yeah.
Can I start? Okay. Beneath the sky, we share no stories, just something in your eyes. Don't be afraid, the shadows know me. Let's leave the world behind. Let the darkness lead us into the night. Let the dreams get lost in the temperature rise. Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I'll ignite. Like a starship speeding into the night. You and I get lost in the infinite nights. Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I'll ignite. Beneath the sky, as black as diamonds, we're running out of time. Don't wait for truth to come and blind us. Let's just believe their lies. Believe it, I see it, I know that you can feel it. No secrets worth keeping, so fool me like I'm dreaming. Take me through the night, fall into the dark side. We don't need the light, we live on the dark side. I see it, let's feel it, while we're still young and fearless. Let go of the light, fall into the dark side. So,
Amazing.
and
Yeah.
I hope
Nice.
you like my presentation.
Good.
Wonderful.
It's too good.
Which song is it?
It's Dark Side.
Yeah, it's
No, I
Dark
don't
Side
know.
and Ignite mashup. Dark
Oh,
Side and
That's
Ignite.
what some of this
That
dark side
I
is.
was confused
Yes, some of it is
because
Dark
I
Side
know
and
both
some
of
of it is
them.
Ignite. I
Yeah.
combined both of
That
them.
one touch and I ignite
Okay.
with
Great.
the Dark
Yeah,
Side.
it's like that.
Great
That's how
job.
it is.
Let's move to Naira now. Naira wants to, I think,
So,
what do you
Harshit,
want?
sir?
Let's do Naira and then we'll look at.
Yeah.
Ashi, you have anything?
no, sir.
Okay. So Hashit is the last. Naira, over to you. You want to show something, Naira?
I'm pretty sure she was singing something.
Yeah.
Naira, you're on mute.
Yeah, sir, I'm also doing into the unknown.
Huh? Are
She
you
wants to
sure?
sing a song, sir.
Okay. Do you want to show something, Naira, or just want to sing a song?
Sing a song.
Sing a song. Oh, okay.
Again, all are mute, sir.
Yeah.
Naira, which song are you singing?
Sir, please. Let the Lord of my soul. Sorry.
Are you playing music as well? Song is Giss. Naira, are you playing music?
Sorry, wrong spelling.
Sir, there was a problem. Sorry.
What?
Bless the Lord, my soul, my soul. I'll worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh, my soul, I'll worship Your holy name. The sun comes up, it's a new day drawing. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me. Let me be singing till the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, I'll worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, I'll worship Your holy name. You're rich in love and you're slow to anger. Your name is great and your heart is kind. For all your goodness, I'll be keep on singing. 10,000 reasons for my heart to find. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. I'll worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I'll worship Your holy name. Oh my soul, oh my soul, I'll worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I'll worship Your holy name. I'll worship Your holy name. Lord, I worship Your holy name.
Super.
Even though I didn't know which song it was, that was
It
really
was
good.
amazing.
Amazing song.
They taught this song in our school. Music period, we have the song.
Great. Naira, one more song, right?
Yeah,
Go ahead.
okay, I'll fire.
Can you just tell us which song it is this time?
Okay, Harshit, are you going now?
No. Harshit wants the lyrics of the song so that he's sure that she's singing well.
Really well.
Harshit,
Yeah.
you told that you would sing happier, right? In the
I
last
could,
class.
and I will.
I think he's
What are you
unmuted.
doing? Yeah, you have one more. Hey, is it done, Miss Naira? Naira,
Oh,
you're on
Naira is
mute.
on mute.
Naira is preparing, I guess. Okay. Harshit, you got a riddle, you got a song, and you got a lizard presentation, reptile presentation.
Yep.
All right.
This is gonna be really interesting.
Okay. Where's Naira? You're done? You have one more song?
I think she has one more song, sir.
Yeah, that's what she was saying.
Yes,
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I drag, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. He who lies at the shine, it's the sea, it called me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind must sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I do, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. with pride and they make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along. But the voice inside sings a different sound. What is wrong with me? See the light and the shine meant to see. It's blinding, and no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? See the light when the shine makes us see. It calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go.
So,
Wow.
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 Amazing.
It's not wow, it's more wow.
Yeah.
Never
I think-
knew how she
More than
sang
wow.
because she
Ashit,
never
like,
sings when we come
She
over.
never sings when you come over.
yeah.
Nope.
Oh.
I think we didn't
That's
give the
actually kinda
opportunity.
sad.
We never knew that she's so talented. So next time we meet, I think we'll try to make her sing. All right.
You,
Oh,
Naira, you remind us because we forget every time. So you can just-
good. Great job, Naira. Keep continuing the singing part of it. And last but not the least, we have Harshit Suravajala. Go ahead.
yeah. So can I present?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Okay. So I am doing a presentation on reptiles.
Oh my soul.
He was
I just
searching
looked
for
at
that song.
So what will we be covering? We will be covering what are reptiles, their anatomy, or
Oh wait,
how
I
the
can't
body.
see anything. It's totally black.
Totally black and the star-like thing in the middle.
No, I don't see that also. This totally black. Yeah.
Wait. Can you see it now?
Yeah. Yeah, we can.
So we will be covering what are reptiles, their
We can't
anatomy,
see what a reptile sticks, Harshit.
their characteristics.
You can just see the crocodile picture and the flower in the middle. Yeah, reptiles, yeah. Now it's okay.
Now it's coming.
Yeah.
Because my internet is all. So popular frequently asked questions or FAQs, popular misconceptions, and what to do if you encounter a dangerous reptile like a croc or a komodo. So, and I'm gonna also give a video about them. So stay tuned till the end. So reptiles are tetrapod animals in the class Reptilia, comprising of today's turtles, crocodiles or crocodilians, snakes, amphibians, lizards, totara, and their extinct relatives, which are dinosaurs and iguanodons. So now the study of their reptile orders, historically combined and modern, is called herpetology. So reptiles can be found everywhere. If you take a close look in your backyard or a garden, there's a 90% chance that you will find one. Even in water, you may find a water snake or something like that. And next thing, they are cold-blooded. That is, their blood matches the temperature of their surroundings. That is why crocodiles bask. That's the reason. Anatomy. Now, reptiles are ectothermic, which means that they get their body heat from external sources. So, unlike us, warm-blooded animals, we are animals technically. So, what our body does is the temperature of the blood is same everywhere, no matter what the outer conditions are. So, a reptile's body is covered in scales, or they have a bony external plate called as a shell, which you may find on a turtle or a croc. So what you call a shell isn't necessarily like a big dome-like structure. It can be like tough scales or any tough covering. Okay. Reptiles cannot chew their food. They only tear it. That's an interesting fact for you. Now their scales are so tough, if you were to shoot a triangular dart at them, the dart would just fall off. The crocodile will turn around and just bite your leg off. Okay, sorry. Their role in the ecosystem. Now they act as a pest controller because many lizards, they eat many snakes, lizards, they eat the pests such as mice, mouse, maybe even a few birds, etc., etc. And they even spread the networking of rodents which carry harmful, dreadful diseases like the flu. So, the example only. Now, the Indian cobra is one of the preventers of rodents in urban centers. So, the population of pests stops increasing with the impact of reptiles. In wetlands, you find a lot of fish. So the presence of crocodiles prevents the population of the fish. Even though you might think this is a good thing because excess fish means we can catch and consume as food, that is truly not correct. Now, if you find too much fish now, then we'll catch all of it. Half of it will decompose and it will be wasted. So it is better to leave half of the fish alone and leave it to crocs and animals. So now this keeps the aquatic ecosystem balanced and healthy. So the availability of reptiles is a very big support in the controlling of fish overgrowth in coastal regions. So now the balance of fish population is mandatory for the survival of well-balanced ecosystem because fish serve as food for many sharks, crocodiles, humans also. So if we take a lot now, then obviously everything will die and go extinct. We'll be destroying our own stuff which we like for entertainment. So now dead animals are also eaten by reptiles and they keep the environment healthy and smell free. So the Komodo dragon is one of the examples of those types of reptiles. So frequently asked questions. How do you tell if a snake is venomous? The answer is you can't tell it. There's only a few factors determine it. So what you can do, observe, is that if the snake comes up to you confidently and tries to strike at you, it will tell you that it is venomous. Another way is that to know your reptile species properly. So if you ask me, well, is the Burmese python a venomous snake? I will tell no because it's a constrictor. So why are people afraid of snakes? That is because people don't know which species is venomous and which one is non-venomous. So this is the main reason I should tell why people are afraid of snakes. So if you are a turtle lover, you can't get a pet one in India, just telling you. So if you find a radiator tortoise like on the road, which you won't, so do not try to take it home. That will be illegal and you have to go around the court for a long time. What I suggest you'd rather do is go call animal control. And even if you think if it's a baby one, its mother, well, if it doesn't have a mother, you should just leave it. It's always a good choice to leave any reptile that you find on where you left it. Okay. What you can do is, nurse it back and release it somewhere else. That's what you can do. Okay. So why do lizards get into your house? The thing is that outside, it's very harsh out there. So the reptiles, they need a warm place. So, make their blood warm and prevent themselves from dying. So that is why they get into your house only for the heat. They do not want to harm you or any sort of thing like that. Okay, so don't kill them. You okay? Now, if you try to catch a lizard and its tail breaks off and flops around, which looks disgusting, and if you feel terrible, do not feel terrible because it is a defense mechanism of the lizards for, to distract predators. So are lizards venomous? The answer is no. Only venomous frogs are there. Apart from that, there's nothing else. Okay.
To Harshit,
Now, yes.
venomous frogs, they don't spit out poison or
Oh
bite
yeah,
you and do
sorry.
that.
Poisonous frog.
Yeah, so
My bad.
their body is venomous and not venomous,
Yeah.
poisonous.
Actually, like their body, they don't even secrete it till you harm it. So
Yeah.
don't harm poison dart frog
Just
or a
don't
golden dart
touch
frog.
it.
It can kill you. It will kill you. And okay, so snakes can hear music and dance accordingly. That is very false. Okay, snakes are deaf, and the only reason they move, to that flute thingy is because they want to strike at it, and due to vibrations. Okay, all reptiles are poisonous. They are not. Like if you take a few, like the Indian cobra and the inland tapir, they are poisonous. Okay, but not all of them are. Okay. So now lizards are jam packed with slime and adhesive. That's not true. The only reason they hook onto the roofs is due to their feet, which have little hook-like structures. Now, chameleons change their colors to camouflage. It's not. So, why do chameleons change their skin color? This is because it's dependent on their mood, okay? It's not to camouflage. Now, serpents are jam-packed with slime. That's not true, okay? Just don't think that snakes are slimy. They are not. Eels are what you call slimy, okay? So what to do when facing big reptiles? If it's a venomous snake, do not move at all. It will think you're prey and strike. If it's a constrictor snake like a Burmese python, then move away from it slowly. Constrictor snakes are very fast. They're decently fast and will get up to you and they'll constrict you faster. Okay, so
Yeah,
just
but
move.
Harshit,
Yeah.
they won't come directly and wrap themselves around us. First, they have very sharp and hooked teeth, and first
No,
they'll
they don't bite.
bite at us and they'll hold it. They'll hold the prey with their teeth.
That does no, they don't. First what they do is they are going to constrict themselves around the prey. Okay.
Yeah, that's what.
So
Before
then-
doing that, if the
Guys.
prey should not escape, few pythons do that. Only few, not all.
Yeah. So first, this is effective to most of the constrictor snakes. They first suffocate their prey. They suffocate their prey and then start eating it. This is not true for all types of pythons, but
Yeah.
for most of them. Okay.
Yeah, but they don't. They just hold the prey with their teeth while they get their body around it, and then they start
No.
constricting.
That's
Few
also-
python, not all.
Yeah, a few, very
A
few.
few. Yeah,
That's
very few.
rare.
Yeah,
So if
very-
you're in the water and you find a big lizard like a crocodile and you come out, move in a zigzag path, okay? That is because crocodiles, they are very fast and they have stout legs, so they can get up to you easily. So if you move in a zigzag path, it will slow it down and you will escape. So if you're in the water, punch it on the eyes or the nose. So don't feel terrible. Nothing will happen to it. Okay. It will just, be shocked for some time. So do not panic, as this is equal for everything except constrictor. Okay. So do not panic, as it will make any predator, whether it's a lion or a tiger or a dog or even a ferocious cat. Okay. Just don't panic. Don't panic. Okay. And I have a wonderful picture of reptiles. Okay. Now I'm gonna ask you guys a riddle. Now, a man, Sarah was a famous florist. One night, Sarah was killed. So, when during the anatomy, the police officer said that she was looking for a pen to put down the killer's name. Sarah had three competitors who could be on it: Amanda Green, Robert Flores, and this James Bond. Okay, James Bond is not a murderer. Do not worry. So, I'm gonna give you a clue. In her body she was found holding two flowers, yellow and blue. Like, see, I'm gonna repeat it. Sarah was
Yeah,
found
but don't
dead.
put it suspense, okay? We're not able to understand.
Sarah was found dead, and she had three competitors who could be on it: Amanda Green,
What is
Robert
suspects?
Flores, and James Bond. Okay. So she was found, in her hand there were two flowers, a yellow flower and a blue flower. Who is the murderer? Did anybody get it?
Can you repeat the suspects?
Okay. There was Amanda Green, Robert Flores, and
What's
James
Amanda
Bond.
Green?
Like, that's her name.
Okay.
She was found with two flowers in her hand, blue and yellow. So when the police came, they immediately found out who the killer was. Can you tell?
No.
No
It's
idea.
pretty simple.
No idea. James Bond?
No, it's not James Bond.
The Amanda Green.
Yeah.
Yes, it's Amanda Green. Can you tell me why?
Amanda Green.
Your answer?
Is it something got to do with plants, Amanda Green?
Yeah, it has something to do with Sarah. You remember all the clues properly, you know why.
Yes, Sarah, she was holding flowers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But can you tell me why? How did you get it?
How did he what?
How did you get who the killer was?
I just guessed.
I just guessed.
No, okay, you guessed, but you need to find out how. How was
Okay,
it?
I don't know. I
The
just
reason.
guessed.
No idea.
Okay, and I'm gonna tell it because yellow and blue makes green.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
Oh,
Okay.
mix the
So
colors.
Amanda Green. Got that?
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah, got it.
Now I'll be doing karaoke of Happier. Okay, I'm going to stop my share. Okay, just be peaceful for a while. I'll be done in a moment. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Wait, oh my. Okay. Picture is lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be everywhere. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're in the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause we know that has happened. It's only for a Okay. And but we are not forced to pretend that we're okay. Now if we don't take it as a secret, far away from the way we think. But only for a minute. I wanna change my mind, 'cause this is something right too. I wanna raise your spirit. I wanna change my mind, but don't let me go back to. I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like it, I think that you'll be happier. I want you to be happier. But only for a minute. I wanna change my mind, 'cause this is don't be right now. I wanna raise your spirit. I wanna see you smile, but don't let me alright. That's all that my network will keep up. Thank you.
Good one, Harshit. Maybe I think next time when you try, just try it out before you sing, because I think as Vidya was saying, the karaoke sound was a bit more. But your singing is really good. We
So
like
I
to,
couldn't hear Harshit at all, so the
yeah,
karaoke sound was overtaking his voice.
true.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
That's all.
let's do it again,
Uh,
Harshit, too. Maybe
wrong
next
karaoke.
Sunday.
Yeah, I'll do it next.
Sure. All right. Anything else, Harshit?
Nope, that's all from my side.
Excellent. Okay. So, Harshit, Chaitanya, you guys have IoT class at 8 o'clock, 8 to 9. And the last class will be on Tuesday. The last experiment will be on Tuesday for you guys. Okay. From
Okay,
then
sir.
you'll be
Okay.
free. But you might have to maybe guide the batch two guys, Ganesh and Dave, maybe next week in case they want. So I'll catch a few of you next week. Otherwise, I think pretty good show. I think almost 2 hours, right? Yeah, it's 7:41.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, great. I enjoyed, right? It was really good. I think lots of puzzles and presentations, reptiles and nature. I think Vidya, your presentations are really good. I mean, we love the
Thank you, sir.
live nature that we see, right? We're missing it in the city, so very nice. Very nice to see, some insights on the reptiles bit, Harshu. I think that's good. I think Ashi, you have a week. You'll have to prepare something.
Yes, sir.
So let's meet up next Sunday again. I think I'll ask Akasha to follow up. But I think if we 7 are coming in, then it's easier. We're not expecting anymore. This group is pretty good. Great. So let's meet up again next week, guys, and finish off with the IoT classes next week, and see how it goes. The max marks have come for the previous test. Ashi,
Yes, sir.
have come.
Sir,
The second
No,
test.
sir.
sir, can
Sorry,
I
no,
exit the
Dad.
meeting now, sir?
Yeah, you can exit, Vidya. We'll meet up.
Thank you, sir.
Sairam. Sairam. Yeah.
Raghu sir said that he'll say the marks at Monday.
Monday. Yeah. All right. No problems. All right. Take rest. Go to the loo and come back. 8 o'clock. You got a
Sir,
class.
can you say the marks?
No, I don't know. No, he has not shared with me.
Oh,
Great. So we'll meet back at 8 o'clock, guys. Bye.
Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir, Sam.
Sairam.